Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 2021 for free. Open one browser, any browser you want. Type here Office customization tool, then hit enter. Open this first link. It is Microsoft website. If your computer is 32, select 32. If your system is 64, select 64. Scroll down. From here, choose this one, Office LTS. After that, scroll down. Leave everything as default. Click on next. Scroll down. Select your language. I want to choose English, United States. Again, scroll down. Click on next. Scroll down. Again, click on next. Close this MSI. Again, scroll down. Click on next. Again, scroll down. Next. Scroll down. Scroll down. Here we have finished. Click here. Look, we make this configuration. Then click on export. Choose Office Open XML format. Click on OK. Check these lessons. Then click on export. It will download for you. After that, open a new tab. Now type here Office deployment tool. Then hit enter. Open this first site. It is from Microsoft. Scroll down. Here we have download button. Click on download. It is also download for you. Now close your browser. Open your download folder. Here we have two files. Right click here, then create new folder. Write Office 2021, then hit enter. Cut these two files. Select, then press Ctrl with X, then paste here Ctrl with C inside of Office. Look, we have these two files here. Open this file, this deployment. Right click, then click on open. Click on yes. Check these lessons, then click on continue. Find here your Office folder. We made this folder on the download folder. I want to go here. Here we have download. Select your download folder. Here is Office. Then click on OK. File extract successfully. Click on OK. After that, come back. You need to copy this file and go to your drive C. Open your drive C. Paste on drive C. Here we have Office 2021 on drive C. Now open your Office 2021 folder, then copy this link. After that, open your CMD, type here CMD, look, from here you can edit your font size, anything you want, but it is okay for me. Right here CD, then paste this link here. If you right click with mouse, this link will paste for you, then hit enter. Look, now we are inside of Office 2021. In this step, copy this comment. I will share this comment on the description also. Right click here, copy, paste here. If you right click, this comment will paste for you on the CMD. And also you can write this comment, then hit enter. This message will come for you, or this message will appear for you. Click on yes. Make sure you have a good internet speed. Look, our installation is start. Office is installing on the background. Now it is 0%. It will take a lot of time. If you have a good internet speed, you can install fast. If you don't have a good internet speed, it will take a lot of time. I will pass the video because it needs a lot of time. Now it is installed successfully. Click on close. In this step, I want to open Microsoft Word. Look here, we have Word. Look, we don't have any problem. And also I want to open Excel. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. If you are new here, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. When I upload the new video, you will have notification. If you want to install Windows 10 or 11, then watch this video. Have a good day. See you soon.